Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at Umhaven.com, a store that claims to sell comfy shoes, sandals, and loafers for men and women. It sounds lovely on paper, but is it actually legit, or just another digital mirage? At first glance, the site looks professional with a clean layout and impressive photos. The classic, "Trust me, I'm a real business" vibe. However, a quick reverse image search using Google Lens reveals that these exclusive product photos are actually stolen from other websites. Apparently, taking their own photos was just too much effort for them, which is always a glowing endorsement of a company's integrity. Things get even weirder when you look at their contact information. They've listed an email and phone number to look official. But here is the twist. Both the address and the number are copied directly from a completely different website. If your order goes missing, you'll basically be playing a fun game of, who am I actually calling? And the answer is definitely not the person who took your money. To make matters worse, they have zero social media presence. In 2025, even most houseplants have an Instagram account. Yet this global footwear retailer is a total ghost online. Then there is the high-pressure marketing. Up to 75% off, free shipping for today only, and those never-ending countdown timers everywhere. Nothing says legit business, quite like a website that screams at you to buy something before a fake clock hits zero. We also checked for reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit, and the results were a big, fat zero. Not a single real customer is talking about them. And in the world of online shopping, that kind of silence is usually deafening. After looking at the stolen images, fake contact details, and the total lack of any human feedback, it's safe to say Umhaven.com is about as real as a $3 bill. My advice is to stay safe and avoid shopping there. Stick to trusted online stores instead of donating your hard-earned cash to a mystery box. Thanks for watching this review, and I hope it helped you stay safe online. If you enjoyed this and want more scam checks like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.